Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So watch me achieve a bold curls using a pixie hair, making it look like a burmese curl. These are some of the products I'm going to be using: Luida's leave-in conditioner with water, a detangling brush, my foamy moons, and yes. So I'm going to pour some amount of leave-in conditioner into the water can and mix thoroughly. So I'm not going to be pouring water directly on my hair, so I'm just going to use what is in that can because I've already mixed it with conditioner and water in it, so we are good to go. Section your hair for easy styling. Wet it thoroughly, like thoroughly. Do not manage it. Your hair has to be very wet for easy styling. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. It's a sign that you want me to drop more content like this here. It will motivate me, so please subscribe to my channel. So we are going to be using this particular brush to detangle first from the tip to the top gently so you don't shed your hair. You're going to repeat this procedure all over the hair. Make sure you wet your hair very well with your water and leave-in condition. When you wet it very well, it's going to be very easy. It's going to make your hair very soft, so it's going to be very easy for you to detangle. So we are done wetting and detangling our hair. Now it's time to add a foamy moons to our hair to help redefine the curls. Foamy moons will help add volume to your hair. Yeah. So I always add a lot of foamy moons. So it's time to define the curls. So this is the exact brush I'm going to be using. There are other ones you can actually use to define these curls as well, but this is the exact brush we're going to be using to define this curls today. So yeah, you go in and brush. Make sure it's very smooth, so that's why you have to brush gently You know, make sure everything, or you have to detangle every part. Brush it and make it look smooth before you gather the hair up. You know, you brush very well, make your hair look smooth. I did it, so I had to go in again. I wasn't satisfied with the curls that came out, so I had to redo it again. And this time, yeah, you see how it's coming out. You don't have to stress while you're defining this because it's so unnecessary. Don't stress over it. Just do your thing and it will make sense, or it's going to make a lot of sense when it's all dried up. Yeah, when it's all dried up, that's when it's going to make a lot of sense. While doing it now, you might still be looking for the light. It's not, it's not like this. It's not coming out very well the way I want to see it. Just wait for it to dry up first. Exactly how I am doing it. Make sure all hairs are inside the brush going in one direction, you know, making it smooth before you gather it up. It's very easy. So I went in to add more style at the tip of the hair. You're going to see the beauty of everything when it's all dried up. We are done. So I went ahead to sun dry my hair, and yes, it was dried hair, and it was time for me to add my serum for shine and to seal in the moisture. Yeah, add serum to your hair. Okay, so while I was adding the serum, I was actually trying to open the hair to remove all the crunchy or crunchiness or whatever, so I can add volume to the hair, because the hair has to come out full, you know. All the volume has to come out. It has to come out. So I hope you're seeing the beauty already. Oh. This hair is actually available for purchase. Check our page on Instagram for beautiful luxury hairs at Hair by Moni's Empire. Yeah. So guys, what do you think? This is beautiful. If you're yet to subscribe, please support me and subscribe to my channel. I know you love it. Rush down to our page to order yours now. Okay, make sure to save, make sure to like this video and share, and drop a comment in the comment section. I'm going to answer any and all questions. Thank you for watching. Yeah, this is the final look. Pearl.